Imagine surviving a bullet to the face and sneezing it out years later. In 2013, a man in Syria was shot in the face during a street conflict. He didn't die, but later developed sinus pain and congestion. After a series of strange nosebleeds and headaches, he sneezed, and out came the bullet. Yes, you heard that right. Doctors confirmed it had entered through his cheek, missed all vital structures, and lodged behind his nasal cavity. His x-rays and medical records were documented and verified. This was no urban legend. Remarkably, he survived with minimal scarring and a story no one would believe, if it weren't completely true. Sometimes reality is stranger than fiction. And this man's story is a testament to human resilience. Next time you hear an unbelievable story, remember this one. It might just be true.